Like this is nothing short of amazing. Like it just knows intuitively what the connection would be. Whenever you see a piece of art, it is composed of multiple things. It's composed of craft, it's composed of art. And the difference between craft and art is something that comes from the feelings. It comes from something that is unexpressed. And craft is the bridge that expresses the unexpressed. Now, what's happening is because this AI model has read so much of literature, it probably has way more words and way more expressions than any human would possibly have. And because of this, what it can do is it can give you an illusion of art by just the craft. And it's nothing new, honestly. I mean, you do know that there are poets who just know flowery language and who try to make something out of it, and they're able to do that fairly nicely, and people do get emotional with their own songs. I mean, that's how businesses thrive. I mean, we have manipulators and dark empaths who are able to give you an impression that they're actually empathizing with you with just their words and their gestures. So, well, I do see that there is great innovation if we talk about craft, and there is certainly something that is unprecedented and iconic. But clearly, art is something that is exclusive to sentience, and sentient beings are the only ones that can make art. Well, coming back to the debate of whether the use of AI will risk the lives of artists and the work of artists and the value of artists in the society. Well, I personally think that this isn't something that we can curtail at this point. Like, artificial intelligence is going to take up almost all the jobs that you see around, because anything that requires mental processing, anything that requires objective input and objective output, or processing that objective input and giving a clear analysis of things, those kinds of jobs, I don't find a reason why they should not be replaced by artificial intelligence. I mean, if you have a world where your problems are dealt with something that is way more optimized, that is backed up by way more data and experience than a human being has, I have no reason to think that that world will be in any way more rough and would have more friction in lives of people than the world that we have now. But there is also good news when it comes to artists. Well, you as an artist have something that a machine can never have. Maybe you do not have a quota of big flowery words and a dictionary of terminologies that can convince people, but you have feelings and you have sentience and you have something inside of you that's longing for expression. And you can borrow expressions from here and there, but when the expression connects with your inner feeling, that's what creates art and creativity. So in place of thinking of this as something that risks the lives and livelihood of artists, I look at it more in the sense of it validates the existence of artists in a way that it can never replace art. It can only replace craft. And well, it may give you an impression of the art, but that is just like how a dark empath give you the expression of an empathetic human being. It's as simple as that. Let's see what lies ahead in the AI industry and how AI would impact our lives. I am very hopeful and optimistic about how AI is going to make life frictionless, smooth, is going to do things for us that are going to be more solid and more credible than humans. And let me know what you guys think about this. And I'll meet you in the next video.